Stop right there if you're over 50. What I'm about to tell you could mean the difference between living with strong, healthy skin or spending your later years hiding arms, legs, or a neck you no longer recognize, missing out on moments you once loved. Most people just like you are making a quiet but damaging mistake with their skin every single day, without even realizing it. And what you don't know now could mean years of regret down the line. Let me ask, have you ever looked in the mirror and barely recognized the thin, crepey skin staring back at you? Have you found yourself pulling down your sleeves or avoiding shorts because you don't want anyone to see those lines and wrinkles that seem to appear overnight? You're not alone. Millions of people over 50 see their skin change and think it's just normal aging. They try every lotion advertised on TV, but nothing seems to stick. Maybe you've wondered, am I missing something? Or quietly asked yourself, is there a way to give my skin new life without surgery or expensive creams? If you're nodding your head, you're already on the right track, because today, I want to open your eyes to a truth most ads will never tell you. I've spent years working as a skin specialist, and over time I noticed a pattern that changed the way I think about aging. Here's what the big beauty industry doesn't want you to realize. Your skin's problem isn't just about age. It's about a slow, silent starvation. As we get older, our skin's blood flow slows, our collagen production drops, and the surface becomes weaker from the inside out. Those pricey creams you see everywhere, they mostly trap moisture on the surface, temporarily smoothing things out but never addressing what's really going on underneath. The result? Your skin keeps getting weaker and thinner with time, no matter how much money you spend. But what if I told you there's another way? 7 ultra-simple but science-backed habits, each taking under 30 seconds, that can actually help reactivate your skin's natural power right at home. No products or expensive treatments needed. These aren't vague internet tips, but mini rituals supported by research at places like Harvard and the International Journal of Cosmetic Science. These 7 habits work like gears in a clock. Together they target circulation, hydration, oxygen, collagen, and repair the 5 pillars of youthful skin. And you can start seeing fresher, firmer, and thicker skin in just a few minutes a day. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Let's start this journey to better, stronger skin right now. The first mini ritual is so simple, most people write it off. I call it the 20-second cold water splash. If I could only convince my patients to take up one new habit this year, it would be this. After your morning cleanse or shower, splash your face, neck, and the back of your hands with cool, not freezing, water for about 20 seconds. No need to overdo it. There's powerful science behind this when your skin is suddenly exposed to cold. Tiny blood vessels beneath the surface tighten and then expand as you warm up again. This flushes in fresh oxygen and nutrients and gives a natural tonic to the cells just beneath the surface. I've seen this in the lives of patients like Eleanor, a 73-year-old who was desperate to firm up her jawline and the loose skin on her arms. Every morning, right after washing, she did a cold water splash. At first, she said it felt odd, but within a week she began to see a livelier, brighter face in the mirror. Over a few short weeks, the tightness improved. Her skin looked healthier, and even persistent puffiness eased. Just 20 seconds, but the trick is doing it every morning, not skipping when life gets busy. Think of it as a gentle wake-up call to your entire skin system. Research has observed that routine cold exposure can boost elasticity and noticeably reduce fine lines in older adults, even after just 2 weeks. Once you've finished, don't rub your skin dry. Just gently pat to remove the excess water, and breathe in deeply. That little shock of cold does more than you realize. It wakes up your skin's microcirculation, starts to reset collagen production, and signals your brain to release natural anti-inflammatories. All of this without buying a single product. The second habit addresses one of the most neglected areas: your hands. Most anti-aging routines focus on the face, yet hands are often left looking old before the rest of us. Why? Because they lose moisture and collagen at twice the rate of other body parts. So here's a bedtime ritual anyone can do. Take a couple drops of pure, Cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil. Rub it between your hands for about 20 seconds and let them absorb this natural nutrient while you sleep. Olive oil is a powerhouse for the skin, thanks to its squalene, vitamin E, and antioxidants. It doesn't just moisturize. Some research shows it can actually activate the genes that rebuild and protect your skin barrier. Donald, a retired carpenter of 70, came to my clinic with hands so rough and cracked. He joked they could scratch wood. I asked him to try that nightly olive oil rub. He was skeptical, but returned 3 weeks later, holding up softer, healthier hands. He couldn't believe the transformation. His skin tone was more even. The roughness had softened, and the crepey look faded. The warmth from rubbing helps open pores and improve circulation, allowing antioxidants to penetrate deeply and signaling your skin's natural builders to get to work again. Consistency is key. Just a few drops of quality olive oil and 20 seconds each night is all it takes. No chemical creams required. You'll be amazed how quickly hands begin to look and feel younger. The third ritual brings us to your face again, but this time, it's about touch. This is what I call the collagen finger massage. It's completely free, can be done anywhere, and takes just 30 seconds. Lightly tap and glide your fingers along your cheeks, neck, jawline, and forehead, always using gentle circular motions. This isn't just for relaxation. The science is fascinating. Gentle touch stimulates the skin's mechanoreceptors, tiny sensors that send powerful signals to the body to start repairing and tightening the fibers just below the surface. In fact, some studies have observed that regular facial massage can measurably increase collagen density and the thickness of the skin, especially vital after 60, when natural collagen production starts to dwindle. I remember Linda, an energetic 68-year-old, confessing that her nightly face massage seemed silly at first, but after a month, her skin had stopped sagging when she smiled, and her scans actually showed a thicker, more resilient skin structure. You don't have to buy fancy tools or serums, just a bit of any comfortable oil olive, rosehip, or argan, and your own hands. Do small circles upward from jaw to temples and tap lightly around your eyes and mouth, where we lose the most collagen. Your skin responds quickly to this kind of attention, especially if you do it daily. When you make touch a part of your routine, you gently teach your skin to hold its shape again. Our fourth mini ritual might surprise you, because it starts in your kitchen. The green tea mist. No, not drinking it though. That has its own benefits, but a homemade spray you apply to the skin. Just brew a cup of good green tea, let it cool, pour it into a small spray bottle, and store in the fridge. When your skin feels dry, irritated, or dull, mist your face and neck for about 20 seconds, then allow it to air dry. Green tea is rich in EGCG, a natural antioxidant that helps fight the biggest causes of skin aging, sun exposure, inflammation, and damaging molecules that target your collagen and elastin. In research, regular topical use of green tea has been connected to reduced skin damage and noticeably improved elasticity, even in adults over 55. When Ruth, a wonderful 72-year-old in my clinic, switched to green tea misting, she described it as a drink of water for her face. Redness faded, her skin tone improved, and she gained back a subtle radiance she'd missed for years. The real key is letting the spray dry naturally. This seals in hydration for the outermost layer of your skin and gives soothing relief from irritation. Just a few quick sprays a day, easy, natural, and so effective you'll wonder why you waited. The fifth ritual isn't a cream or a treatment. It's a simple movement, a 30-second neck stretch roll. If you're like most people over 60, you've probably noticed the skin on your neck and jawline seems to age the fastest. One reason is our modern habit of looking down at screens, reading, or just sitting for long stretches each day. This compresses the blood vessels that supply vital oxygen and nutrients to the skin of the neck and lower face. I've seen studies noting that oxygen to the skin can drop by nearly a third from poor posture alone. The fix: take 30 seconds every morning and evening to gently roll your head in a circular motion forward, side, back, and around for about 15 seconds. Then repeat in the opposite direction. Gentle stretching opens up those pathways, allowing fresh blood and oxygen to nourish your skin and restore its glow. Helen, a patient who often joked that her neck had aged 10 years ahead of her face, began doing these neck stretches twice daily. In under a month, her skin felt tighter, her jawline more defined, and the crepey texture began to fade. This simple stretch also supports lymphatic drainage, helping fluids move away from the face and neck, which can further reduce puffiness and sagging. Don't force or overdo it, just smooth, gentle movements and deep, slow breathing as you roll. You'll likely feel a gentle warmth and release after just a few sessions. Sixth in our series is one of nature's best combinations: aloe plus vitamin C dab. Crepey or fragile skin, especially on the arms, neck, or chest, is often a sign your body needs help rebuilding collagen, the protein that makes skin thick and springy. While most over-the-counter products can only do so much, a simple homemade mix of pure aloe vera gel and vitamin C packs a far stronger punch than you might expect. Aloe contains glucomannan, a substance known to stimulate your body's natural collagen builders, while vitamin C is the essential cofactor for turning those signals into real, resilient fibers. Some studies have seen topical use of this combo double the rate of collagen repair and soften fine lines in just a few weeks. Mix a small teaspoon of aloe with a drop or two of liquid vitamin C or a pinch of crushed vitamin C tablet. Dab it gently onto those crepey spots under the eyes, around the mouth, across the forearms. Let it sit for 30 seconds. Then rinse lightly or wipe away. Martha, a 66-year-old who insisted her skin looked like tissue paper despite everything she tried, found that after 2 weeks of this easy morning ritual, her complexion brightened, her texture smoothed, and she could finally feel her skin getting stronger, not weaker, each day. This approach feeds what your skin is missing: hydration to plump, antioxidants to repair, and the raw materials for new collagen growth. Be consistent twice daily if you can, and you'll notice the difference in both look and feel. Now, we reach perhaps the most surprising habit of all, one that costs nothing, doesn't involve skin products or fancy treatments, and yet can deliver a remarkable inner glow. It's called deep nose breathing. Believe it or not, your skin's health and tone is closely linked to how you breathe, especially as you age. When we're stressed or fatigued, most of us default to shallow mouth breathing. This starves our cells of oxygen and slows the body's ability to repair even the outermost layer, the skin. Some research, including studies in older adults, has shown that nasal breathing can raise nitric oxide in the blood, triggering a natural rush of oxygen, enhancing circulation, and activating the body's repair mode. Here's all it takes. Sit up straight, relax your shoulders, close your mouth, and breathe in slowly through your nose for 4 counts, letting your belly fill. Hold for a second, then release slowly through your nose for 6 counts. Repeat this cycle for 30 seconds, twice a day. Harold, a retired bus driver of 71 who always felt his face look tired and gray, tried this breathing exercise at my suggestion. He was shocked when, a month later, friends and family commented his skin looked so much healthier. His circulation improved, capillary flow increased, and he described feeling more energized both inside and out. This practice reduces inflammation, encourages cell renewal, and brings back that natural flush of youth, no lotion or supplement required. It's the ultimate internal tune-up for your skin, and only takes half a minute. When you weave these 7 habits into your day, a bit of cold water here, a soothing oil rub there, touch and movement where you need it, and a few moments of deep breathing, you're not just caring for your skin's surface. You're helping reactivate the healing ability that's always been within you. Over time, circulation will improve, collagen will strengthen, hydration returns, and the difference you see and feel will surprise you. You don't have to accept that crepey, thinning skin is your destiny. or that youth can only come from expensive products. With consistency and just 3 mindful minutes a day, you can help restore the tone and confidence you thought you'd already lost. If you found this video helpful, I encourage you to subscribe now and turn on notifications. I'll be sharing more practical health insights like these every week. Don't forget to leave a comment letting me know which ritual you'll start tonight and share your story for others who need hope and a fresh start. Take care of your skin, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.